I'm Nathan. And I'm Nick.
And I'm Dustin.
And Devin was in our group too. And this is the Party Barge Work Cell.
Woo!
In our work cell, we utilize a FANUC robot with a 3-prong gripper and a conveyor to create custom-made boats chosen through a switchboard.
Safety features on our work cell include a double operator start, an e-stop, lights, an MCR, a pressure mat, signs, and barriers.
These are our boat feeders, and they use an optic sensor. This is where the robot puts a flagpole into the boat. There is an optic sensor to sense if a boat is there. These are our flagpole feeders. They utilize fiber optic sensors.
This is where the robot places the flagpole into the boat using optics and a cylinder to hold it. This is our stamping fixture, which utilizes an optic sensor.
This is the station where we simulate the boat being painted. We use an optic sensor to sense when the boat is there, so the light can come on to simulate the boat being painted.
This is our exit chute.
So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion to rock the boat. I don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. I don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat. I don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Ever since our voyage of love began, your touch has thrilled me like the rush of the wind, and your arms have held me safe from a rolling sea. There's always been a quiet place to harbor you and me. Our love is like a ship on the ocean. We've been sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion to rock the boat. Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat. Don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Up to now we sailed through every storm, and I've always had your tender lips to keep me warm. Oh, I need to have the strength that flows from you.